Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable handwriting keyboard in OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the additional settings, okay, click additional settings. Okay guys, here in additional settings, okay, go to keyboard and input method, okay, click keyboard and input method. And okay guys, here in keyboard and input method, okay, go to Gboard and okay, click Gboard. And okay guys, here in Gboard, okay, you can see the language, okay, click language. And okay guys, here in language, okay, all you have to do is select the keyboard language and layout, okay. I have one keyboard and language layout, okay, click this. And okay guys, here in keyboard language layout, okay, all you have to do is select the handwriting, okay. There are many options here by sliding to the left. And okay guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to enable the handwriting, okay. You'll have to do is select the handwriting, okay, and after that, okay, disable the QWERTY. And okay guys, after you enable the handwriting, okay, you can see below the done button, okay. You'll have to do is click done. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the handwriting keyboard in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, we can try it, okay. Go back and okay, go to message and okay, I try to write a message. So okay guys, here we can sample write a letter. So okay, and okay guys, here I try to write a hello and okay, we can space another sample. Yes, and okay guys, we have successfully enable the handwriting mode in your OPPO A5s mobile phones. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.